At 20 degrees, a very specific type of snowflake dominates, stellar dendrites. These are the star-shaped crystals with long branching arms you see in the textbooks. They grow quickly, up to 2 or 3 millimeters across, but they're also extremely fragile. Scientists have measured that even a shift of 4 degrees Fahrenheit can change the type entirely, producing thin plates, needles, or even hollow columns instead of stars. See those tiny side branches? They're humidity markers. If the flake passes through a moist layer of air, growth speeds up and new branches form. In drier air, growth slows, leaving smoother edges. In this way, each snowflake is a natural weather log, recording the conditions of the sky as it fell.